it... Aha! Whoa. Okay. How do I open this thing? Giddy up. There. Each have a stall. I like to live life on the edge. Uh-oh. Coming in wrong. Okay, step 2. Oh, Romana, don't move. Oh. Hi, baby. Did you see any briar horses come through here? Oh, easy. Okay. I got all of them, I think. Okay, no one will ever have to know about that. Well, at least all the briars are back where they belong. Yep, the loft is all nice and clean. What's going on? Dawn! Dawn! What? There's horses in the barn! Really? No, I mean little ones! Honey, that's just her foal. No, I mean briars. There's briars and lots of them in the attic, or the loft thingy. Yeah, I know, I put them there. You did? Yeah. I thought I'd bring my briars over and add to Faith's collection so that we could have a really big collection. Ooh. Are we gonna play with them? Probably. Could we play with them now? Could we please? I'm flipping the saddle, but when I'm done here, maybe, yeah. Yay! Okay. Okay, let's open you up. What? There's no briars in... Whoa! Kiona? I'm done with the... Ah! What happened here? Kiona? Yeah? Where'd you get all those horses? They came out of the box. That's a lot more horses than I put in there. It's a magic box. Makes briars come out of nowhere. Uh-huh. Okay, I'm gonna go ask the others if they put any briars in the box. I like the magic box. Dawn! What? There's fingers on my legs. Ah, they won't let me go. Help!